All right, and we're continuing lesson 1-10. Please have your math journals open to page 21. Okay, before we get started, here is you guessed it, it's a dime. How much is a 1 dime worth? How much is a 1 dime equal to? How many cents? 10 cents. So put 10, well, I guess you don't have to write it down, just watch me for now. And cents, when we put the cent sign, it's like a C in the back, remember, and a straight line through. 10 cents. You're going to need to know that for our page today. Okay, for number 1, this is what yours should look like. It says complete the table. So this is your top part, right? We're working with 10 cents, the dime. Oh, can I move this? Oh, beautiful. Okay. So it says, here's the number of dimes. It's giving us the amount of dimes. A sketch. You see how it has 10 cents? We're going to be drawing 10 cents into our sketches, and then we're going to come up with a multiplication number model, like a number sentence like we just did in the previous video. Okay, here's a sketch. We need 4 dimes. Well, if I had 2 dimes before, 4 is doubled, right? 2 plus 2 is 4. So let's put 4 dimes down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just a circle with 10 cents in the middle. If you need to put me on pause, please put me on pause. Otherwise, I'm going to keep rolling. Okay, 4 dimes, 10 cents. Well, look here. We had 2 dimes. Okay, I understand why they put the 2 here. But each dime was 10 cents. That's why they have 10 cents. Well, 10 plus 10 is 20, and 20 cents because they're a label, and that is also why they have 20 cents, because 10 plus 10 is 20 cents. Okay, that makes sense to me. 4 dimes. We are counting 4 dimes, so I'm going to put 4 down. I multiply. How many? Remember, this multiplication also stands for times. How many times? We were counting 4 times. What are we counting 4 times? Oh, 10 cents. I am counting 10 cents 4 times. Here's 10 cents, here's 10 cents, here's 10 cents, and here's 10 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 10 cents. How much does that equal? Well, we know how to skip count by tens. Count with me, 3rd graders. 10, 20, 30, 40. My answer, is it just 40? Nope. Remember, we need the label. 40 cents. Okay, you guys do 5 dimes and 10 dimes all by yourself. Put me on pause till you have that done. Unpause me and we'll go on to number 2 at the bottom. Okay, if you're here, that means you finished all of number 1. Okay, right here. Oh, if you guessed it, it's a nickel. How many cents is 1 nickel worth? How much is a nickel equal to? 5 cents, half of the dime. This is 5 cents. Okay, that's going to help us with that bottom part. Oh, I see 2, 4, 5, and 10 again, but this time we're working with nickels. So they have 2 nickels. Oops, I need my drawing tool. 2 nickels. That's why they have a 2. What are they counting by 2 times? Well, 5 cents. 5, 10. Oh, that's why they have 10 cents. That makes sense to me. Okay, we need 4 nickels. Draw out your 4 nickels again. A circle with 5 cents in the middle. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. How am I going to write this number model? What numbers are going to represent what we just did here? Well, I know I have 4 nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I counted them 4 times. What did I count 4 times? Right? Because this means 4 and this means times. 4 times. I counted 5 cents 4 times. 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times this 5 cents because they're each worth 5 cents. We know how to skip count by 5. Start at 5 with me. 5, 10, 15, 20. Again, can I just put a 20? Nope, I need my label. 20 cents. You go ahead and write the next one on your own. 5 nickels and 10 nickels. What would our number model be and what is our answer? When you are finished, go to the next page and complete your math boxes and send in a picture. Okay, keep up the awesome work.